Are you sick and tired of having to use rusty, dusty, old-ass trailers to tow your car? We sure as hell were. Who wouldn't be? That's why we worked long and hard to finally find a solution to this age-old problem. With regular car trailers, they're made with steel that rusts over time, weakening the trailer as well as just looking terrible. These trailers are heavy and usually have some kind of ramp that you need to use to drive your car on. Not only is this annoying, but it's nearly impossible not to scrape the ever-loving shit out of your front bumper or splitter if your car is even a little bit low to the ground. All this headache can be avoided by using a Futura trailer. With a Futura lowering trailer, you don't have any ramps. All you have to do is press a button on a remote, watch the trailer lower to the ground, and drive straight on. You don't have to worry about scraping the shit out of your car because this trailer's approach angle is super low. In fact, it's the lowest in the market today. Press the button to raise up the trailer, strap your car down, and drive off. You'll notice towing this trailer is way easier since the trailer is made of all aluminum. It's super lightweight and strong, and among the lightest car trailers you can buy today. Apart from being the easiest car trailer to use in the world right now, these trailers just look downright beautiful with their sleek and futuristic design. Now that you've learned about these innovative car trailers that blow everything else out of the market, it's important to know that there's currently a limited time special offer when you get one. For every new trailer you get, you'll get 50% off of all accessories you equip with your trailer, meaning you can save over $4,000 on the best car trailer in the world right now. You can choose from the rock guard to protect your precious cargo, tire rack to carry spare tires where you need it most, recovery winch to load your car with the press of a button, a tie-down set to secure your car quickly and easily, spare wheel kit to keep you and your trailer rolling, and the airline track rings so you never run out. Using the product customizer on the Futura Trailers website, you can customize your trailer with any combination of accessories, see what it looks like, and order it straight off the website. This is a deal you really don't want to miss out on. This special offer ends on the 3rd of May, so get in quick while it lasts.